All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a Salesforce account. So you would simply go to the user's record, click on freeze at the top, and that's it. Simple. To unfreeze the account, click on unfreeze. And what this does is it basically just locks the user out. They're unable to log into Salesforce. Usually you'd want to use this as for like a temporary lockout. When you still want to have the license assigned to the user will be back in the system later on, or if you want to make sure that the user is still on the owner on their opportunities or their records, as sometimes deactivating may affect that. So this is good to use for temporary access lockouts. If you were going to deactivate the user, obviously you would go to edit and then click uncheck active, but we're not going to do that today.